So I just tried this new frozen strawberry lemonade drink from McDonald's.
Tastes like a Skittle.
Jake is drinking a chocolate shake.
I gave her my cherry.
I ate his cherry. And now we're like standing over here and looking at water again.
Are you tracking me?
Because I can. There's a tire over there. Water, water, water. Jake. Water, Jake. And then McDonald's, Jake. Well, I think we've seen enough water. It's kind of cold out here and I'm wearing flip-flops. So, I think we're gonna go somewhere warmer, aka my car. Say bye.
Again?
Yes.
Bye.
Okay, bye.